It's been like 68 minutes and we just burned 435 calories. Good morning, Nitin.
Good morning, bro.
So, I have a major concern, you know.
Tell me.
These days, I observe that while doing exercise, specifically with the biceps, sometime I couldn't feel pumped.
All right.
Do you know about the any particular exercise so that we can get some sort of...
Not just particular, I can give you the whole exercise of bicep and tricep,
Mhm.
which will help you to get a better pump and grow your biceps and get a higher definition of your triceps.
I wish you could go for it. I would love to see you.
The first exercise that we will do, we will use a straight barbell and we will use different grips of it for the different heads of biceps. So the first one is, for example, I'll take this barbell which is 20 kg. Okay, you can come in the front. So first of all, I'll take the neutral grip and I'll just do my curls, like 8 reps of this formation. Alright, then I'll use the closer grip. And in the same time, I'll use the wider grip for my inner biceps.
So you mean to say on the same time we need to follow 3 different variations?
Yes.
Without
for this
break.
exercise, without break. So 8 reps of each head and then we will complete our whole set. Like 8, 8 and 8.
And what about
And
the...
with this, we will add a tricep workout. Come here, I'll show you.
So for the tricep,
Yeah.
majority of people are facing some sort of challenges to control on their elbow.
Yes.
So could you please suggest any technique?
Like, nowadays, there are lots of influencers, lots of trainers, lots of people that will keep telling you to change your formation. As long as you are hitting your tricep, as long as you are getting your full range of motion, just do it. Don't take it much seriously. Like it's there. Because some people are broad from here, some people are narrow from here, right? So as long as you are doing the full movement, it's okay wherever your elbow is.
All right.
Like this. For me, what I do is I do all of the variations. So I'll do 5 reps of this, I'll do 5 reps of this, and even I'll do 5 reps of this. So I'm using all the variations to get better triceps. So
All
instead
right.
of going on a debate which one is right, just do everything.
For a person like men specifically, they feel proud to their bicep.
Alright.
To maintain or control on their variation, what would you suggest?
Well, lots of people do their biceps curl incorrectly.
All right.
I'll teach you the right form. So what people are doing is they're just wobbling too much and using loads of parts of their body. They're
All
using
right.
their shoulder, using their forearms, using their back. So what you're supposed to do is, it's a curl, right? So
Mhm.
you do a curl with the dumbbell,
All right.
like this. And you slowly come down.
All right.
So when you will change your bicep curl from this to this, you will immediately see the difference. Like in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you will see that you're getting a better pump and better shape of your bicep.
All right. So you mean to say that for the upper part we need to control on our
Of
motion?
course, like you're doing the bicep, right? But when you are moving your body too much, you are using lots of part and there's less concentration on your body. So let's go to the next exercise of the triceps, right? So this time we are using a different attachment. It's called rope, and here is it. We're using the rope this time. So when you use the straight bar, it works on your back side of the tricep, and when you're using the rope, it works on this side.
All right. All right, Nitin.
Yep.
I'm going to ask you something which is very impressive. What is your best part in your body? Which is your best part in your body? I'm sorry.
I think my dick is the best.
Mother chode.